can do it, bro. What was I gonna say? Bro, I felt like I was losing my mind last night. You know, like, when I was sleeping, my dream was, like, so weird. You know, like, for a while, I forgot everything we did yesterday.
Yeah.
Like, I forgot everything we did yesterday for a while. I woke, like,
I woke up plenty of time last night. So weird.
yeah. I don't know. I don't know what's happening to me.
Hello.
Justin.
Same.
P.
Yeah.
So ano ba? Sabi nila mo, palabas na lang ako nanginig kami ko tapos pa yung kape ko.
I felt like I was losing my mind last night.
Why?
I don't know, like...
Is it a dream or parang you were still awake?
I don't know. I woke up and I forgot everything that we did yesterday for a while.
My body hurts.
Yeah.
Is it weird?
Is it because...
Di ba kagabi I woke up to pee, I felt my arenola. I woke up again, it's so bad, I wanna pee again. Like, I cannot really sleep without peeing. And then I stood up, turned on my lapel, and then I went to the corner and said, Kuya, can I please go out? I really have to pee. Rosa heard me.
Oh, wow.
Pinahiram ko sa akin yung arenola. Kasi, as in,
It's like to the brim already?
Oo, it's the ihi na hindi mo matutulugan. It's really the ihi na you really have. Otherwise, maiihi ako sa kama ko.
Then what happened? Did he like...
Russo, lent me his arenola. Kasi otherwise, baka maihi ako sa kama ko.
Oh.
Magkatabi ba kayo ng bed?
Oo.
I didn't hear you.
I wanna do that, hindi talaga ako ihing-ihi.
I heard him kasi nabuksan yung lapel bag niya.
I was like,
Pagbukas niya, nagising ako din. Tapos, parang, kuya, can I pee? I can go outside, I want to pee.
Bro, and I had this one dream where my, like, best friend, Martin, he was like... I had this one dream, bro.
what about it?
My best friend, Martin, he was, like, so mad at me.
Why?
But I don't know why. I don't know
How do
why.
you feel?
It's just a dream.
I don't know, I was
You
like...
feel weird?
It was so weird.
It's just
Yeah.
a dream, bro.
Nakaka-overthinking
I had a very weird and a disgusting dream last night.
What? Can you
You
not
guys wanna know?
He say on TV.
Yeah. I don't know if I can say it.
What was it about?
I caught like our housemates. I can't say. I don't know who.
You
Like
caught-
they were in each other's rooms, just like doing it. I'm like, what? It's so weird.
My dream,
So
bro,
weird.
It's good. I just hate that I just keep on waking up.
I think
My
Chico and I saw each other last night. Ba?
I'm sorry, my dream
For
is...
me, it's good was,
Because
Girlfriend
I saw
ko eh.
my girlfriend.
I saw my
Ang lamig.
girlfriend.
Feeling ko it's the lamig. Ang lamig kasi.
Ikaw
I
rin?
hate it because I was running and I couldn't
slow mo.
run fast.
Uro
She
mo na,
was
Park.
just there. She was just there. She was just sitting.
Sino?
Keisha. I was just running. I was like, and then I woke up and I was so mad because I was like, why? Why can I wake up?
Son.
I slept, driving my parents, and then I woke up again. I was just hating myself for waking up 4 times. He didn't wake me up. Parang it's just me.
You know, that's what I did as well. Bro, like...
I woke up for a while,
And I really forgot what we did like hours ago. Like, I forgot, like... I was like, what am I doing? Like, what's happening right now? I was like... And I was just looking at the camera. I was like, what's going on? And then I realized, oh, whoa, wait, I'm here. Like, it was
Lamig.
it was so weird, man. I don't know how to explain it. And then after that, I had the dream about my best friend. And like, he was so mad at me, but I don't know why. He was just...
Di ba may kanin tayong hilaw? Nag-uusap kami sa loob kung okay lang ba na gawin natin tugaw.
What do you think? Di ba di naman na-ref yun? Sira na yun.
Ano yun?
I think, amoy nyo.
Kinain namin yun kagabi.
O kagabi pa yun. Bago luto ko.
Feel better?
Oo.
Yeah. kahapon lang yun kasi, yun nga. Parang,
Sige lang. Hijack ka. Sige lang. Depende naman sa'yo kung
gusto ko munang bigyan ng oras yung sarili ko. Kasi, yeah, alam naman, ay, masakit kasi yung sinabi. Yung kanin kagabi, no good na? Ah? Yung kanin kagabi? Crispy. No good na, no? Gusto na ano si Tati? Hindi, yung nakain namin kagabi ni Chico, yun pala yung hilaw eh. No good na nga. Di ko alam, basta crispy.
Oo, di ba wag na?
Ayun,
Tapon nyo na yun.
gusto ko sanang bigyan ng yung sarili ko ng time kasi di naman ganun kadali, di ba, na like after na nangyari, after nang sinabi niya is pak, isang ganun lang ko. Okay na agad lahat. Kasi gusto niya paano ko daw tinatrato yung lahat kayong ibang babae. Gusto niya ganun din daw sa kanya. Kasi parang ano daw siya kasi bakit parang iba. Parang nafe-feel niya pa daw yun na may galit daw ako. Ayun, parang imbis na kahit papano unti-unti, parang mas pinilit niya ako na hindi niya ako parang for me, hindi niya binigyan ng respeto yung sarili ko muna na ramdamin ko muna kung anong dapat kong gawin. Parang mas nahirapan tuloy ako na
ngayon. Mas nahirapan ka kaya.
hindi ako mas nahirapan na okay, kung gusto niya i-hug, yung kung paano ko siya, kung itrato yung ibang babae, pwede ko naman gawin yun, wala namang problema sa akin.
Actually, like, unfair naman yun na, to ask you that. Kasi,
Kaya,
like, kasi, ano bang Tagalog? Kakatapos lang kasi ng Yun nga yung sinasabi ko kagabi, parang na-hijack ka kasi parang napilit ka pa na ayusin kahit hindi ka pa naman parang fully nakaka-process. Understandable naman talaga yung side mo kasi
sorry about kagabi. Sorry talaga.
Kay ano ka? Kay Andrea. Kay Andrea. Si Andrea kausapin mo.
I think wrong timing lang talaga yung performance kagabi kasi parang everything was happening.
Ang bigat. Ewan ko nga ba ng araw kahapon.
Alam mo, dapat dapat hindi kahapon siya nag-request.
Yeah.
Kasi parang wrong timing talaga.
Ba't nga kahapon? Hindi mo lang ako natapos.
Speaking of the Queen Bee, here she is.
Bawal na mag-share.
Dito ka. Dito ka.
It's okay. It's cold.
So hard to sleep at night.
Hindi. I sleep agad. Lagi na ako nakatulog agad. I wake up, putol.
Malamig sa inyo kagabi.
Sobra. Andrea, sorry. I'm sorry.
Why?
Kagabi.
No, it's okay. Oh, mom. It's okay. I understand naman.
Ano ko lang kagabi nung practice kasi alam naman kasi na ayun, mabigat yung dinadala ko. Like hindi ko naman talaga kaya yung i-fake yung emotion ko eh.
I know.
Na lang ako kay Chris Mark kagabi, like wala akong I don't care if you know how to dance or not. Basta para ba mas napikon ako. Hindi ko alam, ayoko magalit eh. Binigyan ko kayo ng respeto yung time na gusto nyo respetuhin. Napikon talaga ako kagabi. Para mas naano ako sa kanya eh. Mas nagulat ako sa sinabi niya eh. I don't care if you know how to dance or not. Basta,
That's why nga, diba, I told you, kahit sa final performance, you give your all na lang. Okay, we still have, I don't think it's done now.
Ata.
I think the main problem is like everything is happening all at once. Parang ano,
May something talaga. For me,
marinig.
seryoso, parang madami siyang pinapersonal na di mo alam kung
Is it shower
dapat
call
niya
na?
yung patalid ng sinabi ni Chris. Pwede naman for, hindi ko alam.
Ang galing. Bawal mag-share.
Bawal dalawa dito ka.
Ako
Ano
talaga ni Virgil at.
Kayo ba kayo nag-sorry?
Tinan mo, nananapak na naman.
Tatapon yan yung kape niya. Tingnan mo. May makikita na tayong brown-brown
Hindi ko alam
dito.
kung ako dapat magsabi.
Hindi ka nalamig kagabi. Ang liit-liit
Parang
mo
hindi
ganyan.
ako dapat magsabi. Parang ayoko. Alam mo yun, wala
Hindi,
akong lugar
nakaano
para
siya
sabihin
talaga
wala.
sa ano niya.
Gets mo ba?
Malalim ba?
Di naman.
Hindi naman.
Clingy yarn. Ha? Clingy.
Meron ng, start na shower call.
Wala pa. Kinuha ko lang dito yung towel ko para dire-diretso.
Magsha-shower ka, Andre.
Half bath. Hindi ko babasa yung hair ko. Ikaw, Gian. ko ngayon. Ano? Puro pajama tsaka formal.
Shower uniform lang tayo ulit.
Hindi ako mag-shower.
Hindi ka tayo mag-uniform.
Mamaya na ako
Feeling
gabi.
ko nga ni laundry yun eh. Kaya kinuha.
Kaya siguro kinuha.
Sana leggings. Hirap ng shorts.
Saan ako legging?
Mag-leggings ka na lang. Pwede naman leggings. Tapos mag-shoot.
Oo, pag naman sa...
Ang
Sikit naman nun. Na magsa-cyclings na lang ko.
Kailangan ko na maglaba, promise. Feeling ko.
Maglaba tayo.
Sige. O sige, dismission tayo ba naglalaba?
Ang gusto ko na nga rin maglaba, sabi ko wala lang akong makasama maglaba.
Wala na akong ano.
Pwede ba dito maglaba?
Wala akong... Dito? Saan? May tubig ba dyan?
Yan, sikip kasi sa banyo.
Hindi ba ka-chismis?
Mag-shower call na, mag-ready na ako.
Sige.
Para makapila-pila na.
Ano? Meron na tayong breakfast. Pwede ako magluto kung wala nagluto.
Tuyo. Sorry. Tuyo.
Nagluluto na ba si Azel or...
Di pa, wala pa naman yung mga egg.
Ayaw nga.
Wala pa. Nagtatanong lang siya kung pwede ilugaw. Eh, parang medyo delikado na yung kanin last night kasi di ba, baka panis na.
Ano ba nilalagay sa
Ba't nilagay sa ref? Hindi ko nga, hindi ko nga alam sa kanila eh.
Natatakot ako na kasi di ba ang dami na yata ating nasayang na rice kahapon. Nakaparusahan tayo ni Kuya na dami yung sinasayang.
may
Parang
sayang na kanin ka.
Hindi, kumain sila kagabi.
Ah.
Sila Chico. Kaya nga parang umano sila na ito yung hilaw na nakain nila. Kinain nila kagabi, nagtoyo lang sila. Eh sabi ko, ba't hindi sila nagluto na lang? Sabi hindi na daw, huwag na lang daw.
May ulam pa ba kagabi?
Wala na. Like, yung,
Toyo tsaka kanin lang.
sakto lang talaga yung ulam natin kagabi.
Bagay.
Kasi sabi din ni Chico, mas okay na yung saktuhin na lang kasi para sure tayo sa mga iba pang dadating na araw.
Wednesday lang ngayon na.
Bawal ba matulog kahit dito?
Pwede naman dyan matulog.
Wala naman na sa ano.
Oo. Si Chico, doon natulog, di ba?
Hindi, I mean ngayon. Nakakatapos lang ng... Lusot naman yun shower call na yan.
Batteries yan.
Hindi, supplies yan.
Tsaka batteries.
Yung mga past seasons nanonood ako, di ba? Tapos,
Bawal.
hindi. Like general comment lang. Tapos, lagi kong nakikita na lagi silang sweatpants and everything.
Yeah.
Iniisip ko, parang di naman ganun kalamig dyan.
Oo nga eh.
Tapos ngayon, sobrang lamig.
Parang hindi naman sila dugyot tignan. Ba't parang nung ako na yung...
Baka dugyot naman to sa atin.
Dinamay ko pa kayo. Sorry, ako lang.
Hindi ako din.